In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import all crypto coins to Tradingview Watchlist. Start by opening a chart in Tradingview. Any symbol will do. The key is to be on the main charting screen where you can access all the platform panels. Once your chart is open, look toward the lower area of the interface. In the bottom right corner, you'll find the screener. Click to open it. If the panel looks minimized or hidden, just drag the edge up slightly so you can see the full table. At the top of the screener window, here is a drop-down that lets you choose which market universe you want to browse. Open that drop-down and select Crypto Pairs Screener. This switches the table to crypto markets specifically. In this view, you'll see a comprehensive list of crypto pairs from supported exchanges, along with columns like price, volume, change, and more. You can sort any column to quickly surface the coins you care about. But for now, we're going to bring them all into a watch list, so they're always one click away. To select everything in the table, click once on any symbol to make sure the table is active. Then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-Fate on a Mac. You should see the entire list highlight. If it doesn't highlight on the first try, click a row again and repeat the shortcut to ensure the screener has focus before you select all. With everything highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selection. From the context menu, choose Add Selected to Watchlist. Tradingview will ask where to place them. You can add them to your current watchlist or create a new one to keep things organized. Creating a dedicated list, such as all crypto, makes it easier to filter later without mixing them into your existing symbols. Give it a moment to process if there are a lot of pairs. Once it's done, open your watchlist panel to confirm the symbols have been added. From here, you can star your favorites, sort by performance, rename the list, and hide any pairs you don't need. If you run into limits based on your plan, consider trimming by exchange or volume so you keep the most relevant markets front and center. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy charting.